Hey everyone, you're cleaning out your closet and you find a bunch of old clothes. You want to donate them, but first, you need to sort them out. It's a bit of a hassle, right? Now, imagine you're trying to manage your finances. You have all these transactions scattered across different accounts. It can feel overwhelming, especially if you want to get a clear picture of your spending habits or track your progress towards financial goals. That's where Rocket Money comes in. It's a personal finance tool designed to simplify your financial life. But here's a question: can you export your data from Rocket Money? The short answer: yes, you can. So, the short answer is yes, you can export your data from Rocket Money. But before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why you might want to do this. Why export your Rocket Money data? There are a few reasons why you might want to export your Rocket Money data. Data backup. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your important data, and your financial data is no exception. Exporting your Rocket Money data gives you a copy that you can store in a safe place. Data analysis. If you're a data-driven person, you might want to analyze your financial data in more detail than Rocket Money allows. Exporting your data gives you the flexibility to use other tools or software to analyze it. Sharing data. If you're working with a financial advisor or accountant, they might need access to your financial data. Exporting your Rocket Money data makes it easy to share with them. How to export your Rocket Money data. Now, let's get to the good stuff: how to export your Rocket Money data. Log into your Rocket Money account. The first step is to log into your Rocket Money account. Go to Settings. Once you're logged in, go to your settings. Find the Export Data option. Look for a section labeled Data Export or something similar. This option might be located under Privacy or Account Settings. Choose the data you want to export. Rocket Money might offer different options for what data you can export. You can usually choose to export all of your data or specific categories like transactions, subscriptions, or budgets. Download your data. Once you've selected the data you want to export, click the Export button. Rocket Money will likely generate a file containing your data. You can choose to download this file to your computer. What file format will your data be in? Rocket Money typically exports data in a CSV, comma-separated values, format. This is a common format that can be easily opened and imported into other software applications. Tips for exporting your Rocket Money data. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when exporting your Rocket Money data. Check the file size. If you have a lot of data in Rocket Money, the exported file might be quite large. Make sure you have enough storage space on your computer before starting the export. Consider exporting regularly. If you use Rocket Money frequently, it's a good idea to export your data regularly to keep your backup up to date. Protect your data. Once you've downloaded your exported data, make sure to protect it from unauthorized access. You can store it on a secure external hard drive or cloud storage service. Additional considerations. While exporting your Rocket Money data is generally straightforward, there are a few additional things to consider. Data retention. Rocket Money might have a policy regarding how long it retains your data. If you're concerned about data privacy, you might want to research Rocket Money's data retention practices. Exporting historical data. If you've been using Rocket Money for a long time, you might have a lot of historical data. Exporting all of this data could take some time. Data quality. Before exporting your data, it's a good idea to review it to ensure that it's accurate and complete. Conclusion. So, can you export from Rocket Money? Absolutely. Exporting your data gives you more control over your financial information and allows you to use it for various purposes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.